Here. Okay, now we are recording. Awesome. Okay, guys, so welcome to our first meeting on from the Association of Information Systems. My name is Eduardo Guzman. I am the current president of the association, and we're happy to have you all here, and so we can share with you all the events and that we have planned for you this semester.
How you doing, guys? I'm Nick. I'm the VP of Operations, and I'm just gonna give you guys the quick welcome. So, welcome to the Association of Information Systems. As you can see on the screen, we're the largest student organization focused on business and technology, and our mission is to provide students with the opportunity of learning crucial technical skills while establishing relationships that'll help them grow as professionals. Can you go to the next slide, Eduardo?
Yep. Oh,
Oh, so what do we offer? We have a few things this semester that we're really excited about. First is the business analytic experience, where we're going to show you a few different programs and business analytics that you guys might be interested in learning and using. We have a few professional development programs, blockchain workshops, competitions, data talks, and we have a community network that will show you guys all. And the rest of the members are going to show you more specific information on each one of these. And we're going to show you all our members. So, Eduardo.
yeah, so we would like to meet our e-board, the executive board for the spring semester of 2021. I'll start with myself. As I said, my name is Eduardo Guzman. I am the president of the current president for this spring semester. And I am a senior studying double majoring in information systems and business analytics. This is my first year, like finishing my first year as a member of AIS. And uh, other things about me, I come from Venezuela. I moved here 4 years ago. I'm a black belt in karate. And if you go to onecard.fiu.edu, you'll see myself there. So yeah, you'll see me there.
Um, my turn. Okay, my name is Jamari Porter. I'm the vice president of the FIU Chapter Association for Information Systems. I'm a senior double majoring information systems and business analytics as well, but I do graduate this semester. This is my going to be my second year in the club so far. It's something interesting. I learned a lot about information systems while in the club. I didn't even know this was a major until, I actually joined this club because I thought everyone here was like an IT major. I didn't know there was such a big distinction.
I'm Kevin Gonzalez Garcia. I pretty much just go by Kevin. And I'm the VP of Communications. About myself, I'm getting my master's in information systems, and I graduated uh, a month ago, or last semester, with my bachelor's in business analytics. And in terms of me as a person, I work full time as an analyst. I've done a variety of the competitions hosted by AIS, and that's what got me into the club. And I'll probably go a bit more in depth on that down the line. Oh, and I pretty much love basketball, so if anybody wants to talk about that, I got some models. I'll hit you up. Feel free to see them.
Hey, guys. So, hi again. Actually, I'm Nicholas Moore, the VP of Operations here. Just want to say this is my second semester with AIS. It's been a great experience so far, and I love being here. I'm a senior. My major is international business, but I'm minoring in business analytics. And I'm happy to be here and help you guys in your development to be business analysts or whatever career choice you want to be in the future.
All right. Okay.
Hi, everyone. I'm the VP of Membership for AIS. My name is Daniela Stalingovskis. I'm a major in business analytics with a minor in economics for FIU, and I'm also with the Honors College. I also currently work for the Commonwealth Institute, which is a nonprofit organization to help women become better business leaders. And this is my second semester joining for AIS and learning more about the various languages and stuff used in my major and in analytics in general. And a fun fact about me is that I'm very into cosmetics and makeup, as you can see my drawer right here. So.
Hi guys, I'm Pablo, the VP of Technology for AIS. Um, Before AIS, I didn't know a lot about, I didn't even know SQL. I only knew Python, kind of had a beginner understanding. Um, and it's taken me a long way. I'm a senior data analyst now. I'm also in the graduate school. I'm doing a master's in data science. So yeah, the club has a lot to offer, a lot to, it'll take you a long way. I know you could say I'm kind of like a SQL guru now, along with Kevin. I have a good idea of Power BI. Definitely, it's a good time to be in the field. So I'm glad that you guys are open to the club.
All right.
Hi, my name is Chanel Bostic. I am a senior. My major is information systems and business analytics. I'm graduating in the summer. I should be done. A fun fact about me is I love anime. Right now, currently Attack on Titans. I know it's the final season. I'm trying to catch up. Yeah, I know it's amazing, amazing show. And I'm into like makeup and getting all girly, and as you can see in the picture. So yeah, don't mind this now. Like, listen, I'm in class and living life, so I don't have time for all that right now. But yeah, that's basically me, and I like to have fun. So that's me.
I think Gabby, are you there? Or she needed to left. Something
He's
happened
having
with her.
internet
She-
problems.
Her internet kicked her out.
Oh,
Apparently.
okay. All right. So we can go back with Gabby afterwards. All right. We can keep moving on. All right. So yeah, this is one of the first events that we have. Nick, or yeah, is it Nick? Yeah.
Is it me? All right, I'll do it. Um, so, like first
Oh,
and foremost,
Jamari. Sorry, it's Jamari.
Oh
My bad.
yeah.
Okay,
My
cool.
bad. My bad. It's Jamari.
So for a focus for the business analyst experience is to basically get a bunch of the members accustomed to a lot of the tools and programs we use in the field of like information systems and business analytics. So like Power BI for visualizations, as well as Tableau and like SQL and Python in terms of programming tools, and like R for statistical analysis, et cetera, et cetera. So we're going to be having workshops throughout the semester to help people get accustomed and learn more basic skills from professors and some students who are more experienced and whatnot. For the blockchain workshops, we're actually partnering with UPE, the Google Developer Student Clubs, as well as the Blockchain Center to bring more information on blockchain through a lot of blockchain focused workshops to the students at FIU. This is open to all students. It doesn't need to be specifically specifically, business analytics or information systems students, but it's to bring more attention to blockchain, which, is something that's lacking currently.
We're gonna have technical and non-technical workshops in this one. So if you like more about you're more into the programming, or you're more about learning more about cryptos, we're gonna give everybody those opportunities to learn about blockchain.
So aside from the workshops and the blockchain cryptocurrency discussions, we also have data talks. So we pull from experts in the field of analytics and get their input as to what's currently on trend. And also we have women in tech events as well, getting a female's perspective on like in a STEM dominated field like analytics is, and it's still dominated by men currently. So it's interesting to get that insight. And it's also open to all students, no payment needed, and everyone's available to check in and see what's happening in the analytics field, because it's always growing, it's always developing. And in addition to that, since we have experts in the field, we also have certain company visits. We are affiliated with the Fiat Chrysler company, as well as helping you build your resume and professionally develop for you in terms of going for career fairs and interviewing and what to expect when you want a certain position in analytics or IT.
Right, so these are the competitions I was kind of referring to earlier. It's pretty much why I personally joined AIS. I wanted to compete and kind of put my name out there when I realized that I had no experience and I was going to get pretty much overlooked. There's the blockchain competitions, which will be held on like a national level. And normally AIS also hosts a national competition that will only be local this year because of COVID. And the preparations for that are in place. But at the end of the day, it's a great place to actually get notice, get maybe internships. That's how I got mine. A lot of members have gotten internships through those with companies like Next Era Energy. We have Assurant, Pepsi, Miami-Dade, and Southern Glazers Wine and Spirit. They're the usual host, and a variety of more sponsors in general. So it's a great place to actually be noticed and put your skills on display. In addition to that, we have LinkedIn. We sent out some Discord links and it's starting to populate. We have a variety of channels within it, whether you are interested in maybe internship opportunities. You have some Java questions, something with SQL, Python, basically any range. And you can also access workshops there or reach out to us for any technical support.
So our membership benefits, there's a lot of exciting things that we have to offer. So access to all workshops. We have recorded sessions, so you have access to watch them anytime you want. You also have access to our networking community. So if you have any questions, any of our members will be more than happy to to support you in any trouble that you're having. Also, we have a strong alumni association. So we definitely get a lot of alumni reaching out regarding opportunities, and this includes company visits. About a year ago, we had we kind of had a nice dinner with Walmart, and that was set up by an alumni, and that definitely opened the door for other members to have internships and other potential opportunities. So that's definitely something to look forward to. Also, this is a good time to join because we have our annual competition. This will ultimately be something that will get your foot outside the door, get you something to experience, potentially get you, it'll expose you. It's sponsored by a lot of big companies. You can say like Assurant, we've had FPL, it's a good opportunity. I think Wine and Spirits.
Southern Wine and Spirits. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Southern Wine and Spirits, a good company. They've also been out there. And you'll get a t-shirt. You also get some swag along the way. So, and you'll also get some accessories when you graduate. So for non-member benefits, you'll have access to some of the blockchain and data talk events and some other, you also have access to the recorded sessions. So, and this is the reason why it's open for all members. It's because, we don't want to just close some of these opportunities for the whole university. We want to have some of the students take advantage and get to know what we're about and yeah, just take advantage. We care about, we care about what we do here in analytics and all that. So we just want to continue expanding that.
And yeah, if you guys are interested and you have your phone right away, you guys can scan the QR code and it will send you directly to the AIS Forms website. That's where you can just start to become a member. All right. So what are the next steps? So these are the 2 workshops that we're going to have next week. The first is going to be on Wednesday. It's Intro to Blockchain with Ege Tekiter. He's an expert in the field. If you guys want to be or just interested in how the blockchain works, this is the best moment to go. And then the other one is the SQL workshop hosted by our VP of Communication, Kevin. He is literally a master on SQL. So I highly recommend you to take advantage of him and ask him all the questions that you guys have, or learn as much from him.
Yeah,
So
if
yeah,
you want a sneak peek, the way I'm thinking about doing it is maybe a bit more intro level. A lot of times in your class, you just hit with it straight out the gate, and pretty much SQL is universal and pretty much a day to day in the industry. Excel files and CSVs pretty much become SQL, and I'd like to just get everyone introduced into like how you operate in the real world, and kind of just the process, and maybe even some of the thinking. We can definitely make it really complicated if needed, but it's more intro level for that. We have way more complicated stuff down the line for anyone that would want something of that level.
awesome. So yes, now is the time for you to ask us anything. If you guys have any questions, feel free to add on to text us in the chat or unmute yourself. We're more than happy to help you out. If you guys haven't joined our WhatsApp group chat, please join. That's the easiest and quickest way that we can help you out. Also, the Discord server, how Kevin said, this is a community that it was created by students for students. So you guys can take as much advantage of these opportunities. And yeah, I hope you guys join. I hope you guys had an amazing time, and thank you for listening to our presentation. If you guys have any questions, this is the time.
I have a question. Hey guys, it's my first time here, and I just basically I have very little experience on IT and all of this kind of stuff. I'm majoring on business management, and I'm doing a minor in business in project management. But kind of, I really need this, and also I want to learn a little bit more about this because I know I'm lacking of knowledge in this area. So basically, you guys meet every week. I just saw everything you guys share, but I just wanted to know because I also work full time, and I'm not sure if I will have sufficient time to assist to the community meetings and all of that. I want to know a little bit more about that, if possible.
Yes, so we do have our workshops weekly. Hopefully all the business analyst experience programs, which are the SQL workshops and all those technical workshops, are gonna be held on Thursdays at 8 p.m. unless the host need a change of the workshops. But the good thing is once you become a member, you have access to the recorded session. That means that if you miss to any of the workshops, you can just go to the Discord server and get the YouTube link, so you watch the whole recorded session. And also, if you need any questions about it after you watch the recorded session or prior or anything, we're more than happy to help you out.
Okay.
Yeah, and
that's great.
One of my hopes is that it's not really like a class, right? You're not trying to memorize definitions, because why pay $60 to do that? I think the most important part is the general walkthrough and seeing how things work.
Okay, perfect. Good. Thank you, guys. Yes, I'll definitely join.
Thank you. Any other questions?
I'm sorry, guys. I came a little late. How do I complete the membership process?
All right. So let me see. I'll stop the recording for a moment. Hold on. Okay.